All right, we're at day one. So today, all I need you to do is to comment on the post below and also respond to someone else's comment, either by liking it or commenting on their comment. So what that does is creates interaction, and it helps our community to be the best that it can be. It helps keep it active so other people can get in and more people can come in and create the business that they desire to have. So comment, invite 5 people that you know, 5 people closest to you, so that they can come in and support you on your journey. If you don't know 5 people, do what you can, but at least invite one person who can be a supporter, your personal supporter for you. And the last thing that I need you to do is register for our next online meet and greet. I want us to be able to speak to each other in a organized setting, and we'll do that by creating a community meeting at least once a week. So with that being said, that's your day one, and I hope that this challenge brings you so much value that it's enough to change your life for the better, so that the rest of your life can be the best of your life. So that's day one, and I will see you in day two.